Hey everyone, welcome back to Glitch Sip. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the demonic key in the Forge on Roblox using the fastest and easiest method. The demonic key is an important item that's used to unlock special areas, chests, or progression content, so knowing how to get it quickly will save you a lot of time. First, let's talk about where the demonic key comes from. The demonic key is obtained by defeating specific enemies in high-level zones, usually located in demonic or corrupted areas of the map. These enemies have a chance to drop the key, so it's not guaranteed on the first try. Before you start farming, make sure you're properly prepared. You should have a strong weapon, good armor, and enough damage to defeat enemies quickly. The faster you kill enemies, the faster you can farm the key. Now, here's the fast and easy method. Go to the demonic zone and focus on elite enemies or mini-bosses, since they have a higher drop chance for the demonic key compared to normal mobs. Avoid wasting time on low-level enemies unless necessary. A very important tip is to server hop. If you defeat all the elites in the area and don't get the key, switch servers and repeat the process. This resets spawns and dramatically increases your chances per hour. You can also improve your drop rate by using luck boosts, potions, or gear that increases loot chance if available. Even a small luck boost can make a big difference. If you're playing with friends, farming in a group can be faster too, as enemies go down quicker and you can rotate between spawns. To summarize, go to demonic or corrupted zones. Focus on elite enemies. Use luck boosts if possible. Server hop to reset spawns. Using this method, you can get the demonic key much faster and with less effort. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe to Glitch Sip for more The Forge guides, item farming tips, and Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.